Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today we're going to just be talking about some general tips on maintaining your rugged laptop. So, when these things are out in the field, they get dusty, dirty, and your port covers are going to protect your ports and that sort of thing. But it's always a good idea to take a nice clean towel or rag and just wipe it down. We use like a popular cleaner just to give it a quick wipe down. You can even do the screen this way as well. With those finger smudges and that sort of thing, you're going to want to keep this clean. And the keyboard. Another little general tip is to get yourself a can of compressed air or something like this. We have a little blower, and you'll be able to just blow any dirt and grime that might be under the keyboard, as well as around the edges of your mouse, because the gunk will get caught in this little ridge around the mouse pad. You might also look in the back where you have all these ports here. If you use any of these ports, especially the docking port, you're going to want to do the same kind of cleaning that you would do on the keyboard as well. And then over here, especially on this model, the CF31, there's a little vent right here that you're going to want to keep clean. And then over here, you have your CD, it's actually a multi-bay port where you put your CD-ROM or your secondary battery or, secondary hard drive would go in here. You're going to make sure that's clean and free of debris or dirt or grime or anything like that. If you're not using it, I highly suggest you keep this door closed and click shut. Some other things that you can do to maintain your keyboard goes beyond cleaning, and it would be to set your battery settings so that you know when it's charging, how much percentage. Keep an eye on that. You're also going to want to watch how fast that battery discharges while you're using it out in the field. Make sure that you've got, that whenever you do your battery charging, you charge it up. When you're using it outdoors or away from the electric, let it discharge completely, then plug it in and let it charge back up overnight so you're fully charging and fully discharging your battery. That's a really good idea whenever you're dealing with these lithium-ion batteries. Basically, that's everything I got for you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next week.